Hey there, Olympia High School. It's me, Mr. Myers, coming to you from my home classroom, I guess, of things. I am here today to talk about Drama Club and all that we've been up to this year. We're still going strong. We've been surviving and adapting, and we really hope that you are too. Honestly though, so much of the success of Drama Club this year is due to the dedicated students of our club, and specifically the 7 Drama Club officers that we've got this year who are so strong and so passionate and just forward thinking in getting out there and trying new things. So I'm gonna get out of the way and let them talk about it. Whoosh.
Come join us for club meetings. We're building community, playing games, and connecting with each other.
We meet each Wednesday at 12:15 p.m. in Zoom.
We're still doing productions this year.
In October, we did a radio version of the play, The War of the Worlds.
Then you're quite convinced, as a scientist, that living intelligence as we know it does not exist on Mars?
I should say the chances against it are 1,000 to 1.
Now the whole field's caught fire. The woods, the barns, the gas tanks of automobiles. It's spreading everywhere. It's coming this way, about 20 yards to my right.
Enemy now discharging heavy black smoke in direction of...
Now the smoke's crossing 6th Avenue, 5th Avenue, 100 yards away. It's 50 feet.
What day is it? Do days exist without calendars? Does time pass when there are no human hands left to wind the clocks?
New York? Isn't there anyone on the air? Isn't there anyone?
We just finished and streamed a short film version of the play 4 a.m.
4 a.m. Again.
I'm gonna go to sleep. It's 4.
What time did you say it was? 4? Everybody's asleep at 4.
This is Frankie, your 4 a.m. connection.
Is there anyone out there?
I am here to light your way in the darkness.
Did we cross into an alternate universe where up is down?
Old souls.
Every day we're afraid. Every day there's a monster under our bed, and yet we get through it. You can't run from it.
Hello? Hello?
And we have more projects, both large and small, being prepared for the spring.
Check out our Instagram at OHS Theater Arts or Mr. Myers' YouTube channel for updates, audition information, and Small Talk with Myers episodes.